Kaur Class 7, Gurleen Kaur Class 8, Pahul Class 9 and Harneet Kaur Class 10.
Best in Band, Tejveer Singh Class 6, Mandeep Kumar Class 7, Ranveer Singh Class 7, Sehajpreet Singh Class 8, Amritpal Singh Class 9.
Best in Home Science, Tanveer Kaur Class 8, Asta Ahuja Class 9, Gautami Class 10.
Best in Electronics, Jashanpreet Singh Class 6, Harshdeep Singh Class 7, Nimrat Singh Class 8, Harshit Arora Class 9, Jigyasu Class 10.
Now we have Best in NCC. Vanshdeep Singh Class 9, Best Cadet who attended CATC camp. Asa Singh Class 9, Best Cadet. Nikhil Class 10, Best Cadet. Mandeep Kaur Class 10, Best Cadet and Best in Drill. Siddharth Jol Singh Class 9, Best Cadet and Best in Drill. Please give them a huge round of applause. Now I hand over the mic to Siruchi and Griva.
Outstanding performance in sports. For badminton, we have Riya Kundra of class 11 who represented school at BAR Nationals, Panchkula and Bangalore and a state champion under 17, under 19 and women's category. For tennis, we have Ekam Jeet who represented school at Junior Asian Tennis Meet at Gurgaon and is a state and district champion in under 15 category. For basketball, we have Jasmeet Kaur who was the captain. We also have Har Amrit who is the runner-up in district and school tournament. Both Ekam and Har Amrit represented school in ITA National at Hyderabad. For basketball, we have Jasmeet Kaur who was the captain of Punjab team in SGFI Nationals at Panchkula where team got runners-up position. For athletics, we have Japneet Singh of class 12 who represented school in SGFI Nationals at Gujarat and CBSE National at Andhra Pradesh. For table tennis, we have Meet Noor of class 12 who represented school in SGFI Nationals at New Delhi and is a state champion boys under 19 and youth under 25. For Taekwondo, Reekam represented SGFI Nationals at Gujarat and is a state champion. Please give them a big round of applause. Now I hand over the mic to Archisha and Anmol.
Now is the time to appreciate the efforts made by head boy and head girl of the school for the session 2019-20. Here comes the head boy
because the most sought position, the dream of every student, the position of the best student of the session 2019-20 is shared by from 12th F Amitoj Singh and Arpita of 12th E. Please give them a big hand as they have rightly earned it. Now, I hand over the mic to Suruchi and Priya.
You earn your trophies at practice. You just pick them up at competitions to build community spirit and help young students integrate into secondary school life through social interaction and bonding. The house trophies are given to different houses for their performance in varied academic, inter-house co-curricular activities and divinity. Now, let us begin with the house trophies. First in academic trophy, it goes to Sahibzada Ajit Singh House. Now I request Prab and Fiza and house teachers Mrs. Jasjeet Kaur and Miss Shiny to come and receive the trophy. Second in academics goes to Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House. Now I request Harsheen and Jasnoor Kaur and house teachers Mr. Pradeep Singh and Mr. Amandeep Singh to come and receive the trophy. Dignity trophy goes to Sahibzada Jujar Singh House. Now I request Sarabjot and Isha and their house teachers Mrs. Navneet Sandhu and Miss Sherry Bhatia to come and receive the trophy. Best Uniform Trophy goes to Sahibzada Ajit Singh House. Now I request Simran and Sahil and their house teachers Mr. Bhupinder Singh and Mrs. Kusum to come and receive the trophy. Second best in uniform goes to Sahibzada Fateh Singh House. Now I request Pukrat Singh and Karsimar and their house teachers Mrs. Himani and Mrs. Labir to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. Public speaking and literary trophy. It goes to Sahibzada Ajit Singh House. Now I request Arindam and Khushi and their house teachers, Mrs. Rupinder Kaur and Mrs. Ritu Kohli to come and receive the trophy. Cultural trophy goes to Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House. Now I request Karthik Sharma and Anshdeep Singh and their house teachers Mrs. Rekha and Miss Madhuri to come and receive the trophy. Creativity trophy goes to Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House. Now I request Pratham Jain and Manjot Singh and their house teachers Mrs. Upma and Mrs. Manmeet Kaur to come and receive the trophy. Sports trophy for the runners-up. It goes to Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House. Now I request Noorpreet Kaur and Gurnoor Singh and their house teachers Mrs. Asha Mittal and Mrs. Isha to come and receive the trophy on behalf of their house. I request Vritti and Lakirat and their housemaster, Mrs. Pratibha Handa, and Deputy Housemaster, Mrs. Monica Mahendru, to come and receive the trophy. Overall Best House Trophy goes to Sahibzada Zorawar Singh House. Now I request Amitoj Singh, Jasmine Kaur and Kavalpreet Kaur and their house mistress Mrs. Gurpreet Kaur and Deputy House Mistress Mrs. Parminder Pal Kaur to come and receive the trophy. Please give them a big round of applause. Our exclusive club of Silver Streaks has got enriched with the completion of 25 years in the service of education. Let's applaud our Vice Principal, Mr. Gurjeet Singh. Please give them a big round of applause. Mrs. Rupinder Kaur, PGT, HOD Punjabi Secondary, and Mrs. Harpreet Kaur, PGT, HOD Computer Science Secondary, have also completed 25 years. On behalf of management, principal, vice principal and staff members, we congratulate them. Hope you will keep sharing your knowledge and experience the way you did earlier. Mrs. Harpreet Kaur, PGT, HOD, Computer Science Secondary, has completed her 25 years. Now I hand over the mic to Harsheen for further proceedings.
Now I request Headmistress Mrs. Sangeeta Bhatia along with Pre-Primary Wing in Charge Mrs. Sukham to escort Chairman Emden Educational Trust Major C.S. Rai and Secretary Emden Educational Trust Mr. Mukta Singh Dhaiya onto the stage to present token of love to a worthy chief guest Mrs. Lavneet Kaur Bal. I request Head Boy and Head Girl to escort the dignitaries. Thank you everyone. I request Head Boy and Head Girl to escort the dignitaries back to the seat. I request our worthy chief guest, Mrs. Navneet Kaur, to please bless us with the pearls of wisdom.
Respected Chairman at MJ Education Trust, Major C.S. Rai ji, Secretary MJ Education Trust, Mukhtar Singh ji, Principals sir, principals of all the other MJ institutes, in charges, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. A very good evening to you all. I am thankful to the Almighty, to the management and principal sir, to letting me here after 12 years on the same dais. This journey from welcoming to being welcomed has been a challenging one, but then at the same time very exciting. Since it's not been very long that I was on the other side, so I know for any function the most boring part is the chief guest's speech. So I will try and keep it as minimum as possible, but then the emotions are immense. For any child, the school and childhood memories are a treasure. For me, I was blessed with the best. 14 years, that is 1994 to 2008, my each day started with Deh Shiva Barmo E Hai, Shubh Karman Te Kabhu Na Taro, Na Laro Arso Jab Chahe Laro, Nishchay Kare Apni Jeet Karo. And trust me, it became a part of me. The learnings started from the school prayer, went on into the classes, got glorified in the playgrounds, and ended at the stage. I am thankful and grateful to my mentors for teaching me values which were larger than life. It is when you reach out of the school and go out to the larger picture, you realize how important those learnings and those teachings were. Whether it was the academics or it was my experience as a head girl or being in basketball or NCC debates, declamations or annual functions, anything which was a part of these 14 years made me what I am today. I am today and always will be thankful to my mentors, to my alma mater for letting me be what I am today. I must congratulate the Montgomeryans, the present who are a part of the MGen family, because you are at the receiving of the best inputs you can ever get anywhere. It is up to you that what you receive and how you shape yourself. This time will never come back. So please study hard, play harder, and yes, never miss a chance to be on the stage. I must also take this opportunity to congratulate the entire think tank behind this musical expedition, which was a theatrical extravaganza of so many thoughts that probably that is the difference that Montgomeryans excel so well in life. Everything, whether it was Bachche Ki Jaan Loge Kya, to Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, to Tell Me Why, had such a nice thought process behind that issues like international peace could be presented in such a theatrical form and they make such an impact in the society and to build the young minds who are going to be very soon the citizens of this country. I am really thankful for letting me hear and letting me enjoy this nice musical extravaganza. And last but not the least, I take this opportunity to congratulate each one of us to be a part of this auspicious year of 550 year celebrations of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. May we all take the teachings and may we act on them so that this world becomes a better place to live in and all the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji put inside us, let us make this world a better place. Thank you everyone. You have been a patient audience. You heard me. Thank you. And I wish success to each one of you. And I wish that every one of you gets a chance to come here as I have come back to my alma mater. I wish and pray to God that each one of you come back with the same glory and feel this feeling of how it feels to be back after 12 years. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very motivating. Now I request the Deputy Head Girl to kindly escort the Chief Guest back to her seat.